Starting a business can be life-changing, and with 2025 it's the perfect time to start a high-income business that could set you up for success. So today, I'm going to share 5 lucrative business ideas that have the potential to make you rich in 2025 and beyond. If you're ready to turn your passion into profit, stick around because this video could change your financial future. Let's dive in. Number 1. E-commerce. First up, before you roll your eyes and say, "Everyone's doing that," hear me out. The global e-commerce market is expected to hit $6.3 trillion by 2025. That's a lot of opportunity for you. Whether it's starting your own online store or dropshipping, the barrier to entry is lower than ever. Websites like Shopify and Etsy make it super easy to launch a store with little upfront cost. But what sets successful e-commerce businesses apart from the rest? Niche products. Think of the niche that you are passionate about. It could be eco-friendly products, custom-made jewelry, or specialized fitness equipment. The secret is finding a target market and delivering exactly what they need. Want to scale quickly? Invest in digital marketing ads on social media, influencer partnerships, and email marketing campaigns can skyrocket your sales. Business number 2. Content creation. Yes, I'm talking about YouTube, TikTok, blogging, and even podcasts. Content is king, and it's only getting more valuable in 2025. People want to connect with real stories, and they want value. Here's the thing. The world of content creation isn't just for influencers anymore. Brands are now pouring millions into content because they know it works. If you've got a niche, whether it's tech reviews, cooking tutorials, or business advice like I'm doing here, you can build an audience and turn it into revenue. The best part? You can monetize your content in multiple ways: sponsorships, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, and ad revenue. As long as you focus on providing value and building a loyal audience, this can be an incredibly lucrative business model. Number 3. Remote freelancing. In 2025, more businesses are going remote than ever before. And guess what? That opens the door for you to offer your services globally. Whether you're into graphic design, copywriting, web development, social media management, or even consulting, companies are outsourcing more and more. The beauty of freelancing is that you can set your own rates, work with clients all over the world, and scale your business by hiring a team once you're ready. The key to success in freelancing is branding yourself as an expert. Build an online portfolio, show off your skills, and network with potential clients. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to start. Number 4. Real estate investment. I know this sounds like a business for people with deep pockets. But in 2025, with the right strategies, even beginners can break into the real estate game. One of the most accessible ways to get started is through rental properties. With interest rates expected to stabilize, it's a prime time to get into long-term rentals or even Airbnb properties. Rental properties can generate steady cash flow and, over time, appreciate in value. If you don't have a lot of money to start with, consider partnering with investors or using creative financing methods to get your first property. Number 5. AI and automation services. If you haven't noticed, artificial intelligence is taking over. In 2025, businesses are going to need AI solutions more than ever to automate processes, improve efficiency, and reduce costs. If you have a background in technology or data science, offering AI-powered services is a goldmine. Whether it's chatbots, machine learning algorithms, or automation tools, you can help businesses streamline their operations and save money. But even if you're not an expert in AI, don't worry. You can still tap into this space by becoming an AI consultant, helping businesses choose the right AI tools and training their teams to use them effectively. The future of business is full of opportunity, and now is the perfect time to take action. So, what do you think? Which business idea excites you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. And, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Business Lab for more tips on starting and growing your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.